once you're gone, there ain't no going home.
We're gonna get going here, try and get up just before daylight there, about 7 o'clock. Pack light, and let's get a buck. Our glassing spot is that mountain over there. I wanna be able to find a ridge line, because if we can get a ridge line, we can just shoot straight up the ridge line instead of having to come up and zigzag, so. All right, lock and load. Beat. That's what we're glassing on today. Hopefully we get a big one. Got more coming in. A lot more. I think it's just does, but keep an eye out. Well, spotted 13 does, not a single buck, but you know, we'll get a big buck tomorrow. That's all it is. Like, wake up, get here, right as the sun's coming up, glass all this. And I want to start glassing some of that over there as well, so. Day two, we didn't. No bucks yesterday, but we're gonna get one today. That's all that matters.
Yes, sir.
Gotta start glassing in like 5 minutes. Trying to catch our breath. That was a hell of a hike, I'm not gonna lie. I thought that was gonna be a little easier, but we're on top of this absolute cliff right now. We got all of this. Freaking awesome. Got fire, baby. Basically today though, had a gruesome hike this morning. We woke up, it was about 20 degrees, started hiking, and I thought it was gonna be a little bit easier of a hike, I'm not gonna lie. Ow! Oh! Are those old ticks? Oh my God, those are old ticks on the tooth. But we got up there, man, and it took us a while, but we made it. Started glassing.
Made a little fire.
Yep.
Kept us warm.
Kept us warm up there, and then we didn't see shit all day.
Yeah.
Until
probably 3.
Nico here.
Saw my first 4 does.
He made his first spot with the binos, so he spotted those, kind of down in the valley floor, and then we didn't see anything really all day until I spotted a mama bear and her cub walking up a canyon on the other side of the mountain.
I forgot about that.
What happened when we came back from camp yesterday.
Oh shit, yeah.
We walked back, and my tent was all the way in Nick's tent, and I thought it was the wind, and then he looked, and there was 2 claw marks and a tooth mark on the back of my tent.
So we had a little visit from those bears yesterday.
And I'm pretty sure we saw them today. I don't know if it was the same ones, but it could have been.
Yeah, his tent was flipped over when we came back, ripped the stakes out of the ground. And it's flipped upside down with all this stuff in it. And we come back and he goes, yeah, it had to have been the wind. And I was like, Nico, it was a bear. And he's like, no, the wind did that.
Dude, in my defense, the wind was like ripping like 40 to 60 miles per hour.
It was, but
it definitely was a bear. Thinking about it now, it was a bear.
We hunted our asses off, man. That was, you couldn't have hunted any harder. We just didn't see anything, so very disappointing, but I mean, it was still a great trip. I mean, we had a good time, camped out, good memories. We'll be back hopefully next year and get a big one then.
I almost died there, way down on the Yukon. There's people who knows my name.
I got more.